Welcome to NTM video from the city of Lincoln. What a city this is to explore. They've got some lovely shops, bars and restaurants here. Today I'm going to walk up steep hill to the castle grounds and visit the cathedral. It's easy to explore on foot because the city is very compact. Here we are at Brayford Water. We're going to walk down the tunnel at the side of the River Witham and into town on the High Street and then up steep hill towards the Cathedral and Castle. It's a reasonable day today, the sun is shining, it's not too cold. Can you see the swans there out on the water? Look at the artwork here under the bridge. Can you see that building just over the river? Stokes Cafe. Very nice in there. So if you take the right fork here at the straight, this will take you straight up steep hill towards the cathedral and the castle. Here's Stanley. Doesn't that look wonderful? Well, here we are, halfway up steep hill, and it takes your breath away to get here as well. Not ideal for somebody that's got mobility issues, but it's well worth a visit. The Magna Carta pub, and here's the plaque, Britain's Great Street Winner 2012. Here we are, Lincoln Castle. Let's go into the castle grounds. It's a major medieval castle from the 11th century, and it was constructed on a former Roman fortress. Wow. You can walk around its walls, where you can see the cathedral, the castle itself, the complex, and the city. Incidentally, one of the 4 copies of the Magna Carta is displayed here. The grounds of the castle used to hold the Christmas market here, which was one of the biggest in the country. But that stopped, but I'm told they're trying to bring it back. Right, let's take a stroll across to the cathedral. What a beautiful building. It was once famous for being the tallest building in the world. Can anybody else remember what it's famous for? It was used in the filming of the Vinci Code, young Victoria and the King. Here's a strange one. King Edward I's wife. Her organs are buried here in Lincoln Cathedral, yet the body is buried in Westminster Abbey. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.